This is a video of North Carolina where it washed it out a couple months ago, where they had the big flood. This is what damage it did. It done a lot of damage to this place, as you can see. And it tore this place upside down. Washed roads out, washed riverbanks and creeks out. As you can see, it done some major damage. As you can see, look, it tore power poles down, broke power poles, washed them plumb out the ground, as you can see. Very bad, very serious storm. Destroyed a lot of good stuff, destroyed a lot of good land. They're trying to get it rebuilt back. As you can see, it did all this damage.
Continue on North Carolina 194 north for 5 miles.
Yeah. Sad for these people. Look, tore lines down and everything. It's made a hell of a mess up there. Trees down everywhere. As you can see across the creek. Destroyed a lot of nice property. He's over working on the bobcat, trying to clean his property back up. Yes, it did a bunch of damage to it. You can see. Really beautiful land. You can see the damage that it's done. This is North Carolina from the flood. Have a good day, YouTubers.